The last type of probability distribution we're going to be looking at is called the Poisson Distribution. I think it's called Poisson. And this one is used when there's not a fixed number of trials. Instead, we're counting the number of events that occur in a given amount of time or space. And the average rate at which events occur is the same. And so that's going to be represented by this symbol lambda. This kind of looks like a weird symbol like that. Now, the number of events that occur have to be independent, just like with the binomials. Now, creatively enough, the calculator has these under Poisson PDF, and for less than or equal to, it's CDF, very similar to the binomial distributions. So we can do this whole thing in the calculator, which is wonderful. So, the number of hits on a website during a given time interval has a Poisson distribution with an average number excuse me, of 3 hits per minute. So that means this is 3. Let X be the number of hits in a 2-minute period. So find the probability that there are 5 hits during that 3-minute period. So in the distribution, so I'm going to go in here, second vars, and actually if you up arrow, it's faster to get to this one. Since we're wanting it exactly 5 hits, we just want the 5, not less than, just the 5. That's PDF. And so lambda is 3, and we want it to be 5. And we get 0.10. Find the probability that there's less than 3. Didn't say less than or equal to, so we really are going to be finding the probability that it's less than or equal to 2, so be careful with that. Bars, maybe CDF, lambda is 3, 2, 0.42. Find the probability that they're more than 2. Okay, more than 2 would be the opposite of that. So 1 minus 0.42. So 1 minus 0.42 would be 0.58. Easy enough. The number of traffic accidents at a certain intersection follow this distribution with 2 per year. So lambda equals 2. Let X be the number of accidents that occur in a 4-year period. Find the probability that there's 7 accidents. So the probability of 7. Now if there's only 2 per year, this is probably going to be a pretty low probability, because if there's normally only 2 per year, having 7 in 1 year is going to be pretty unlikely. Yeah, 0.003. Less than 4. So the probability that X is less than or equal to 3, or less than 4. So lambda's 2, 3 here. This might be higher because it's closer to that average. Oh, 0.86 or 0.857. We'll go 3 decimal places. Find the probability that they're more than 2. So that'd be 1 minus the probability of X is less than or equal to 2. So I need to find the probability of it being less than or equal to 2. So I'm just going to copy the CDF one and change that to a 2. So 1 minus 0.677, and it's 0.323. And that's it.